Well, COVID cases continue to soar in Maharashtra and capital city of Mumbai, and there is a big rush to get vaccinated on day 2 of the vaccine drive for masses. Long queues were seen at vaccination centers in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex. Social distancing went for a complete toss. Overcrowding was reported. Many had to wait in the scorching heat before reaching the vaccination center. Many missed their appointments because of overcrowding. On day 1 of the vaccination drive on Monday, a total of 1,722 senior citizens were vaccinated and 260 people between the age of 45 and 59 got their first shot. The maximum city has also recorded 855 new cases and 4 deaths on Monday.
हम लाइन में लगे हुए हैं। मैं हैं, मेरे हस्बैंड अराउंड 70 हैं, मैं 65 के होने वाली हूँ। तो अभी हम लोग लाइन में खड़े हैं। अब इतना क्योस देख के समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हम क्या करें, किधर जाएं।
हम रजिस्टर करके नहीं आए थे। हमने पूछा था आने के टाइम पे, तो हमको बताया गया था आप अंदर जाइए, रजिस्टर्ड अनरजिस्टर्ड सब एक ही है, कुछ बाइफरकेट नहीं किया है।
जो लेडीज उनकी क्या उम्र?
उनके 80 दोनों 80 साल के थे। एक मेरी माँ है और एक मेरे बहन की सास है। सो वो दोनों 80 प्लस है और हम लोग वही रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे कि आप 60 के बजाय 80 वाले लोग को पहले ले लीजिए। लोग यहाँ पे चक्कर आ रही है लोगों को, ये लोग मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे। इतने लोग हैं एंड ये लोग नहीं मैनेज कर पा रहे।
ये मैं अभी 40 मिनट से खड़ा हूँ और 40 मिनट्स लग जाएंगे। 1.5 घंटे में हम निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से। लोगों को एक्सक्यूज चाहिए किसी को भी ब्लेम करने के लिए। अपना पॉपुलेशन क्या है इंडिया का, और इतना बड़ा एक्सरसाइज अरेंज करना कोई ईजी बात नहीं है। तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी। हम अपना वोट देने के लिए इतना टाइम खड़ा रहते हैं, तो ये अपनी लाइफ की बात है। अगर हम 1.5-2 घंटा रुक गए तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Morning, due to some server issue of Cowin app, 1 hour there was huge rush at BKC, which has been streamlined since 11:20 a.m. and everything is under control and crowd is managed perfectly. Nothing to worry about crowd management at BKC.
Mustafa Sheikh is getting us more details. He joins us from Mumbai. Mustafa, in fact, the report that you sent earlier showed pictures of overcrowding. There were warnings that this should not happen, and that's the reason why registrations are important. But there is obviously a sense that people want to do this as soon as they can, and the crowds are not being managed, isn't it?
Yes, of course, Sneha. There are 2 to 3 fronts on which the problem is. When people started walking in on Tuesday morning, there was also a problem with the Cowin servers at the BKC facility, and hence people were not able to go in, and the crowd was increasing outside, and hence the videos and the crowding which we saw, which was happening. The secondly important thing was that a lot of people we met was saying that as they were facing glitches on the website, on the Cowin app, they are coming directly as a walk-in, and there are many senior citizens who are in fact ready to wait for 2 to 3 hours even in the scorching heat to get done with the vaccination process. So yes, people are in huge number turning out, be it walk-ins, be it resignation number, but people are really open to taking this vaccination. So in the initial stage, till the time more private hospitals, more facilities for vaccinations open up, we can see these kind of crowdings happening at the vaccination centers, because people are really coming out and giving a good response to this second phase. Back to you.
Yes, but there is a problem, Mustafa, because here is your city which is seeing many cases. For more on more COVID-19 cases every passing day, and you don't, last thing you want is a vaccination site to be the venue for a super spreader event. It looks like a big problem there. Mustafa, thanking you for the moment. We'll of course keep coming back to you for more on that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.